Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath has given a big statement amid the Sambhal dispute, where presently a mosque stands, but with references and now claims coming in that there has been a temple and the area that was demolished, especially after the riots, the communal riots and exodus of Hindus that took place over about 40 years ago. Addressing the Assembly, Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath taking claim over the disputed now Jama Masjid in Sambhal, raising Hindus should get what belongs to them. This after Allahabad High Court on Tuesday agreed to refer to this area as a disputed site. So it's the court's terms now that this is now a disputed site. It was hearing a petition from the Mosque Committee. But politics exploding, Congress raising questions about the importance of the 1991 Worship Act, Samajwadi Party accusing Yogi Adityanath Sarkar of specially targeting minorities. Meanwhile, Yogi Sarkar is making efforts to revamp Sambhal. They are saying that there are ancient pilgrim sites and that are being discovered. It will be revamped like other holy sites and that it will return, as the legend is about Sambhal, of the city of Kalki.
जो हमारा है वो हमें मिल जाना चाहिए। सच कड़वा होता है और उस कड़वे सच को स्वीकार करने की सामर्थ्य भी होनी चाहिए। एक बड़ी संख्या है।
उत्तर प्रदेश चीफ मिनिस्टर योगी आदित्यनाथ makes a big claim on Sambhal, where a dispute is brewing over reclaiming of a masjid. Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath, addressing the Assembly, said that the demolished 67 pilgrimage sites and 19 wells in Sambhal have now been traced and freed from encroachment. The Chief Minister insisted that the Hindus should get what's theirs and nothing more than that.
अकेले संभल में 67 तीर्थ थे और 19 कूप भी थे, जिनको एक शरारत के तहत एक निश्चित समय के अंदर समाप्त कर दिया गया। जिनमें से 68 तीर्थों में से 54 तीर्थों को ढूंढना, ये तो हमारी विरासत का हिस्सा है। हमने तो वही कहा है कि जो हमारा है वो हमें मिल जाना चाहिए। हम उससे तर कहीं नहीं जा रहे हैं।
Hindu outfits insist that the Shahi Jama Masjid in Sambhal was built after demolishing the Harihar temple during the Mughal era. Uttar Pradesh Chief Minister's statement comes even as the Allahabad High Court called the masjid a disputed structure.
कोर्ट में मामला चल रहा है तो कोर्ट में विवादित ढांचा ही कहा जाएगा और जब तक कोर्ट में फैसला नहीं हो जाता इसको मस्जिद नहीं कहा जा सकता। इसीलिए कोर्ट ने न्याय की तुलना संतुलन रखने के लिए इसको विवादित ढांचा कहा है।
A war of words erupted between the BJP and the Samajwadi Party over the dispute.
और अदालत के हर आदेश का सरकार पालन कराएगी। संभल में इस समय बहुत ही अच्छा माहौल है, अच्छा वातावरण है, चारों तरफ शांति है और विकास का काम तेजी से आगे बढ़ रहा है।
संभल में अत्याचार और उत्पीड़न किसी से छिपा नहीं है। ये केवल अल्पसंख्यक लोगों को टारगेट पर बना रहे हैं।
A survey of the Shahi Jama Masjid ordered by the district court had triggered violent protests in Sambhal in November last year that left 5 people dead. The matter is pending in court after the Supreme Court put all surveys of disputed places of worship on hold. Bureau Report, India Today.